Hello everyone, welcome to the Sites With channel, and today is day 2 of the Camino Portugués. Today we'll be hiking a short hike, a 6.5 kilometer walk from Matosinhos to Perafita. Matosinhos is an industrial area, as you can see, but when we go to Perafita, further along the way, it will be a nice and it will be like a coastal walk along the beach. The bridge over there is the Ponte Movel. We were supposed to be able to walk it, but it is actually under maintenance, so sadly we can't walk it. So we're going to I hope the weather forecast said that it will not rain. I hope it's right, so we can reach the Perafita hotel quickly, and then we can pack and go to the beach, because the beach is one of the best places to go because we're in the coast, so I'm excited to go to the beach. Thank you for watching and see you in my next destination.